Hey, what's up, family? In today's video, I will share the unboxing of a new piece I acquired for my African art collection. That said, let's begin. Hey, this is Mia and welcome to my humble abode. My Afro-Bohemian home is a channel where we focus on the elements that contributes to self-sufficiency, sustainability, and simple living with an Afro-Bohemian twist. I had to remember that. If you have been here a while, you know we love African art and we're always looking for places on site and online where we could buy or show other art lovers our finds out there. Well, this week, I found a unique piece for my personal collection called the Bali Mouse Oracle. This was the first piece I ever ordered online, and I'm excited to share my unboxing experience. So along with packing and all that good stuff, I'm going to provide you a description and even tell you what I love about this and all my other pieces. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me start off with an apology. I did not realize that I recorded this vertically until after I completed the entire unboxing. I thought, for some reason, I was so excited about this box and receiving this package after a couple of weeks that I just had Ronnie J recorded and we kept moving. I didn't say make it vertical, horizontal, but it turned out beautifully nonetheless, but I just wanted to throw that apology out there. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the packaging on arrival. This piece measures about 28.5 inches tall and weighs about 30 pounds. So one of my worries about ordering art online is that the item will arrive broken or the packaging is not carefully considered. However, I'm happy to say that when this piece arrived, everything was snugged and packaged very tightly. This was amazing to me because considering the size, the packaging, I didn't know what to expect, but the packaging exceeded my expectations. Everything was bubble wrapped and had tons of styrofoam peanuts. It was just awesome. And when it comes to art and collections, the packaging is very important because, believe it or not, there's times that the seller does not take in consideration the importance of quality packaging. I've had, Ronnie J had situations where he asked him to package it right, and when it arrived, it was broken in half because they decided to use t-shirts or just plastic bubble wrap around it and nothing else. So this is great because it's nothing worse than finally getting the package that you've been waiting 2 weeks for only to unwrap it and your product is damaged. So let's get more into detail about the piece. And disclaimer, I am enunciating some of these words to the best of my ability, so I apologize if I butcher them or get them wrong. Charge it to my mind and not to my heart. So, to give you a little insight on the Bali, which this is the place where this comes from. The Bali inhabit the Ivory Coast between the Como and the Bandam rivers. The Bali speak a Taino language of the Quad branch of the Niger-Congo language family. Now, this particular Bali statue was carved in the style of a mouse oracle. Mouse oracles are typically used for divination purposes. The mouse oracles are used to foretell events. So in this practice, mice are believed to have the ability to make contact with the earth spirits and other ancestors. The oracle is designed to house a mouse along with 10 sticks or bones, and these bones can be bat or even bird bones. Typically, there are 2 chambers inside in which the mouse scurries about, rearranging the sticks with its movements. Afterwards, the diviners then interpret the new arrangement to answer any concerning questions of their clients. Now, this is not an art that is just happened overnight. The diviners actually spend many years studying and mastering this technique. I have to say that this piece is amazing and I am in love with it. So as a collector, I'm open to anything that speaks to me. However, I'm a lover of fertility figures, textiles, instruments, and divination pieces, and here we are. African art tends to transcend time and culture. Every piece that we collect tells us a unique story of creativity, spirituality, and even the connection to the world around us. In addition, for me personally, it inspires me to create as I work on my own art. This was a successful unboxing experience, and as I mentioned before, I am in love with my piece and I look forward to collecting more in the future. So, for my art collectors out there, tell me more about you. If you collect African art, what are your favorite pieces to collect? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell for more future videos. And if you're already a part of the family, as always, thank you, and we greatly appreciate your support. That said, stay tuned for next week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Have an awesome day and stay supertastic. Peace.